Hello, and welcome to the installation process of our XIPline application. To install the application, please navigate to our GitHub page as shown in the link here. If you scroll down, you will see instruction step by step on how to install the application, and I will also walk you through it in this demo. To start, please download the XIPline installer through this link. This will take you to the Google Drive where you can download the XIPline installer exe file from the Google Drive. Once you have it on your local machine, all you have to do is double click on it to begin the installation. This will take a few seconds to prepare the application. Here you can only say next, and then after that you can navigate where you want to install the application, and also if you want to create a shortcut on the desktop. And then click next. Now this one won't take a long time for me because I already have the MATLAB runtime. In your case, you might have to wait a few minutes for the runtime to be downloaded, but in my case I already have it, so this installation process will be much faster. All we have to do is begin the installation, and then that's it, done. You will see the shortcut here, and before we launch the application we need to set up the XIPline folder to perform the auto segmentation. So in your C drive here, you have to create a folder called XIPline, and then inside that folder you also have to create another folder called models. And then if you go back to the Google Drive, you can see here all the models that we need to perform the auto segmentation. Note here the application will support the auto segmentation for 2D diffusion images in the axial orientation only, and for ventilation we support 2D and axial coronal orientations, as well as xenon and anatomical images registered in the coronal orientation. For gas exchange, we support both xenon and anatomical images registered. You also need to download the auto segmentation Python script that we will be using to perform the auto segmentation as well. So once you download all these files, you just have to come back to the XIPline folder and place the machine learning models in the model folder, and then the auto segmentation Python script in the XIPline folder. You also have to create a text file called python_path, and then you have to add the Python exe file path in the first line in the text file. Note, this is not Python, this is Python W, which basically just the Python without the terminal. To find this path to the Python, first you have to download Python. So if we go back to the our GitHub here, after we download them, you need to install Python. And then if you go to Python here, you can easily install it. You can see here 3.12, but we don't need that one. We need 3.10. So if you keep scrolling down, you will see here many different versions, and so you have to pick 3.10. Once you download that, and then you have to come back here and then find the path where you download that file. Also note that sometimes this folder does not show in your user folder, so all you have to do is right click and go to properties, and then click hidden files, and it will show you the hidden files. All right, so once you have this path, then you have to copy it and put it here, and that's it. And you save it through here, save, and then you're done. The last thing is for GE data, again, you have to create this GE underscore waveforms folder, and then inside that you have to create these text files and you have to be they have to be the same exact name as shown here. And then inside each files, again, you have to provide the path to the waveform files for each scan type. So for example, for the calibration, you can see this one here, and then similar things to the other application as well. Only note for ventilation and fusion, you will have to provide the .mat file, and then for the rest you have to provide the FDL files. And once you have the waveform, the models, the auto segmentation, the path to Python, you are good to go. The last thing I want to mention here, this file, you do not have to add it, and please do not add it at the beginning if you're running the application for the first time. This text file will be generated automatically once you run your first segmentation, auto segmentation. What happens is that Python will install all the necessary application if you don't have this one, and then once we have all the required libraries, this file will be generated automatically. So next time when you run the application again, you don't have to install the libraries again. So please do not add this one at the beginning. This will be generated automatically. Please also refer to the user manual document. We will explain this again to you. All right, so we have all the setup here. We have our Python installed already, and then now we're ready to launch the application. All you have to do is just double click as normal application. This will take a few seconds to launch, as shown here. All right, so you can see the application here. In the subsequent videos, I will explain how to perform each analysis in different videos. But here I just want to show you the layout of the application. So we start top menu here. Here we have just short description of the application, and if you have any question, please email me at this email here. We also have start fresh, which means if you perform different analyses, so it's better to clear the background of the application. Here, if you want to take a screenshot of the entire application. And also we have help here. This one will take you to a user manual PDF file, which will explain every single step of the application, how to install it, how to perform each analysis step by step, and explain in some more details. So please, this is a very helpful document if you have any questions and get confused about anything, so please just refer to this document. The second thing, also we have the source code for the GitHub account. This is an open source application, which means you can download and have access to the entire code. You can also install the application in the developer mode by cloning the GitHub on your local machine. And then you can use MATLAB 2023B or newer versions, and then launch the this XIPline.ml app, and you can customize the application and add any features that you would like and customize it to your own data. Lastly, here are some options, which is very useful, specifically if you want to customize your application. And then also it's very helpful when you run different type of images of analysis from different software versions or from different institute or even different scanners. And then the first tab is the calibration tab here. And then the second tab is the image analysis tab, which include ventilation, diffusion, and gas exchange. Each step I will go over it in the next videos, how to load data, register the images, segment the images, and perform the analysis, and then view the result, as well as create a report. These are some features that will be useful while you perform the analysis or how to view the images. Lastly, here we have the status bar. It will show a few messages and the progress of the analysis. And then here is the green light, means the application is available to use. And if it's red, that means the process is still going and you should not do any additional processes. All right, I will stop here, and then next video I will start on how to perform the calibration analysis. Thank you.